That's a 30, that's on kill mode. 35 pounds of boost makes 800 horsepower. Well, that's a 2JZ for you right there. I mean, this is a rust-free, rusty shell. I love how the market price. Kelly Blue Book market price, 435 bucks. Bro, I'll give you 435 bucks. Yeah, that looks like about 435 bucks. Then I'd love to build that thing and bring it back up to its former glory and make it something we can all be proud of. Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back. Today, we're gonna look at a car that's near and dear to my heart. I've got one of these in the garage, kind of what started it all. We're looking at the Nissan 240 SX, and man, I hope you already have one of these because these are not fun to buy right now. Here, let's take a look at this first one. We got a 91 240 SX. It says it's a rust-free shell. This is a shell. It's $4,000 for a shell. It needs $20,000 in parts. I'm sorry if you don't have a 240 SX. It's just rough out there. It's rough out there for y'all. What's the factory spot? 5-speed. Okay, cool. Probably doesn't have the clutch pedal or transmission. Let's take a look. $4,000 for this. It's got its guts laid out on the floor. Not one bad body panel. It's the OEM one. This is the coupe though, which is nice. I had one of those, sold it a long time ago. I wish I never had it. I wish I still had that car. That's probably one of the cars that I wish I never sold. I mean, this was a rust-free, rusty shell. So $4,000, this is what you get for $4 grand in the 240 world right now. It's painful out there, guys. It's painful, painful. There you go, no door panels. Roll up windows, $4,000. All right, here's our next one. It's a 93 240 SX, and that's another S13. This one's a hatchback, or at least it was at one point. This one's $10,000. This is going to be your drift special. It does have a pretty awesome engine in it. I always wanted to do this. I always wanted to put an RB25 in my S13, and I missed the window because now they're way too much money. Haltech, ECU, nice. Drift car for sure. Let's take a look. I love the RB25. Oh, the back of this. I mean, this is insane. It got turned into a truck. Okay. I mean, some people like it. I remember seeing this back in 20 years ago. Thought it was interesting. Do we still do it? I don't know. I guess $10,000. $10,000, I'll take the RB25 out of it. Put it in mine. I won't pay $10,000 for that, but that's what I would do. There you go. This is what $10,000 gets you in the 240 world. Oh man, yeah, it's rough. Here, we got a video. Let's watch the video. They're shredding it up, dude. Bam! I wonder how much they want for that red FRS. All right, here's something a little bit more. There's one that's actually put together, but look at that price tag. $38,000 for this thing. It's a 1993. It's got a 2JZ in it. What? Big old turbo. I mean, looking cool. This one's gonna have all the bells and whistles. There you go. Z32 4-piston caliper brakes, some DC coilovers, all the things. These pictures suck. He's got a Mark III Supra in their garage. I mean, 40 grand. My God, this cars are out of control, dude. You do have a cool 2J, I'm sure it's built. Shit, this thing made 800 horsepower, dude. It better. That's on kill mode. 35 pounds of boost makes 800 horsepower. Well, that's a 2JZ for you right there. Then on regular mode, 523 horsepower. Still, this car is almost $40,000. Oh my gosh, I can't believe how much 240 SXs are, man. Stock short block, that's what I'm talking about. That's a testament to the 2JZ. 2JZ is a badass motor. If you want to see me take apart one of them in the garage, I just put that video out. I'll make sure I'll put a link in the description below. You can check that out. CD009, well, I would expect it. It has AC and power steering. This thing has AC, that's pretty badass. For 40 grand, yeah. Full interior, very cool. $40,000 for a 240 SX though. It's wild, man. Let's check out one more 240. Let's see another one here. This one's $7,000. 1992, we got a little video. Let's play it. Video's terrible. We do get a Gatorade bottle in, I don't know if that's supposed to be the overflow bottle, I'm assuming, I guess. KA24 DE, the dual overhead cam. All right, I mean, I don't know. Let's look at the pictures. Possibly an uncracked dash, what? Oh, mismatched body panels. How much is this? $7,000, $7,000. So we do a lot of 300ZX content on this channel. For $7,000, you can get a nice ass 300ZX. Man, 240's got the game fucked up. All right, this dash is all cracked up. I mean, it's missing hella pieces. $7,000. Go fuck yourself. I can't believe it. I can't believe how much. This was like, bro, back in the day. We don't even want to talk about that. That's how long I've been in 240s, dude. I've had an S chassis for the last 20 years. Or 2003, it's 2023. The last 20 years I've had an S chassis. The same one, as a matter of fact. Crazy. Had multiple other ones come and go, but held on to one. Look, I love how the market price. Kelly Blue Book market price, $435. Bro, I'll give you $435. Yeah, that looks like about $435. But S chassis are so beloved nowadays, which I like. I'm glad that they're beloved, and it's, you know, glad I have one already. They're a really cool car, but I mean, there is not much there. Even if it's fully put together, OEM spec, there is not much there on that car. All right, that's what I got for 240s on this one today, boys. I don't even know what I would buy, because obviously money is an option, and $38,000 is nowhere close in my budget for an S13 240SX. I would never pay $7,000 for this one. This might be the wrong channel for you guys, dude, because I would not buy any of these cars. Man, if I had to buy one, if I had to. You can't even fix this one. This one's so far gone, but it does have an RB25. Am I paying $10,000 for an RB25? God damn, these cars are the worst. Yes, I'm buying this for $4 grand. I'm buying this shell for $4 grand, and I will put something in it. And hopefully it's pretty straight and there isn't as much rust as he's talking about. This is a sad day for 240s XSs. I'm taking the 91 shell for $4 grand, dude. I think we could make something of that. I'd love to build that thing and bring it back up to its former glory and make it something we can all be proud of. I mean, of course, $38,000 for this one, you're done, but I ain't got that kind of money. I don't even have that kind of money in playland. Like, we playing pretend right now, and I ain't even got it like that. $7,000 for this. I think I can buy the $4,000 one, put $3 more grand into it, and we could be way better than this car is. You guys let me know in the comments down below. Which one are you taking? You gotta pick one. Put it in the comments. I'm taking the shell. That's the winner for today. I'll see you guys on the next one. We're gonna look at some more 240s, so don't worry about that. Peace.